In Zigo, kundikudza chokwadi. Ndandire 10,000 but zvakanzi kana usina kusimbatiza ndakazotiza. Aiwa. Andakazotiza. One thing about Chiwenga, I don't talk about how he made his money. His money is good. If I could make that sort of money, I would love to. He have recorded and you can prove that.
Or maybe a victim of being recorded.
Popelo recorded, he recorded, that's him. And so forth. I don't record people. But still, Raka recorder, and you know, Bumirana Nazo, and you know, Kuramba. And Aida Kuti, Inini, Dins, no support a Kuda, Dinga support a president. Because I can't get support a Kuda, to support a president. I would want to see a tournament or a festival where there's Japres and Wicknel.
Yes.
Where the president is there to see some of the best artists.
Ladies and gentlemen, pa World Cup season, isinguwe kwenda kumaraini kana kubawa kunoona bora. There's an application inonzi LFTV. LF kubaba kuti elephant. LFTV. On that application, you can watch all DSTV programs. My programs, over 499 programs. Sinenge ziri pa DSTV. Unokwanisa kuona. Nema bora ese aukuda kuona. Ma package awo from as little as $8. Unokwanisa kuona package ya onoita.
Catch all your live sports on LFTV. From the Premier League and even the FIFA World Cup. It's all here, right at your fingertips.
So I want you to register on the website Rubrapa screen or go download the application yacho pa Play Store. And then you've got 7 days of free access. After that, you upgrade to VIP access. Or mnokwanisa contact Cliff pa number riri buda pa screen apa. He is the official reseller we LFTV. Saka musanoonera bora kumaraini kana kuonera bora kubawa, mnokwanisa kuonera pa phone, pa smart TV or wherever paunofunga kuti ndogona kuonera.
Mapatpana sina preta sina ego. Vantenga tondirizira kawiso. Pamachada titsika ange inaso. Dotsoka po podcast nina zigo. Osika sika utangeka kama ziko. Maona drama rekwa gringo. Chepe kunoona isi dingo. Ndinonzi tingo ringo. Dameri dina chazo so single. But next in the album. Fucking amigo.
I'm a pizza. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back again. Na Sabuku, Temba Mliswa. We are very grateful kuti vanogara vachitipa mukana wekuti tiva interview. Do you know the empowerment yacho yatofarira. Sabuku, welcome.
Zikanzi empowerment.
Kuti mumbotivo marapta here kana kuti vo majeli. Mukativo interview yoyo you've empowered us.
Now mazoea akanaka chaicho and kana iri empowerment inoita kuti wanochingwa.
Yes.
Ndosaka ndichita ndinofara nekuti auskuba.
Yeah.
Uri kufamba nezvinhu zvinoita kuti nyika irambe iri educated.
Iri educated.
Informed.
Building
and
conversation.
Ahead. Yes.
Yes, I'm happy and I'm grateful because of our time interview. Sabu is a man of many commitments. Father's Day is just around the corner. And Mimi is the father of many nations. What are you arranging for us, even Isuma adopted sons?
You see, what is a father? Chekutanga. Ndipo pa munoona kuti baba, kune mkomana, kune murume. Andizvere. Zvese zvakasiyana izvozvo. Unogona uri murume usiri baba. Are you with me? And the baba, aufanunga uri vana, baba vevana, vemunhu wese, andizvere. Aufanunga uri unozvara vana vanakonzi ndo vana vako chete. It takes a village to raise a child.
Yes.
So unorakidza baba vako neku incorporate vana vasiri vako. Vana vasiri vako. Vasina vana baba vanenge vakashaya. You take that responsibility. It's about filling the gap. No baba, and you make them appreciate what a father is. Kunyanya wakomana because kana baba wao wasipo wakatorwa na Mwari or something happened. Kana wamwe havasi responsible. Hansina role model. So a boy child must have a role model. And by role model, it does not have to be his biological father. It has to be a father who fathers.
Yes.
So for me, I incorporate a lot of children, and all of that, ndinoenda kumusha, ndine vana vangu, because inini, being a traditional leader, ndinenge nchida kuti vazive, kuti kune vamwe vana, vasina mkana yavanayo, and they must appreciate, but they must also learn to give. So we give that time on children who are disadvantaged, who might not even have had a meal for a long time. So I get my children to start giving gifts, to cook for them, because that's a culture that I want them to have, of giving, of being kind.
Congratulations, Shurugwi Magawina, Miss Universe Zimbabwe.
Shurugwi, 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 Shurugwi.
Vanoru popota vakati, honorable, you broke protocol. Munhu wemutemo, munhu anoenda kuma meetings, anoziva ma protocol. How did you break protocol mukazoenda pa stage? Hanzi makaruina photo moment yemwana wenyu.
Ndiani mulizo protocol. Kana ndakabreaka protocol ndakadini kubviswa nesecurity. Ndakadini kubviswa nesecurity.
But makazvitarisa was that appropriate makuzo.
And mitemo yacho takaudzwa here kuti aubvumidzwe kuenda panenge stage. Chinhu chose chine mutemo.
Yes.
Atina kuudzwa kuti kana munhu awina aubvumidzwe kuenda pastage. To security yanga isipo.
Yes.
Uku ndakafara. Zvakafanana mazuva yandaisapota Caps United neDynamos. Kana Caps yawina taijamba muground.
Yes.
Chandakatadza kuita kuti ongohaga kuti well done. Chet, ndio chandakatadza kuita.
Dai makazohaga manje differently.
Tiri vanhu.
Yes.
Vanhu vanofara in different ways. Ayusi, vamwe vairidza murune muridzo but havana kunzi vajamba protocol. Inobvumudzira kuita murune muridzo meme. Kovakaita one but havana kunzi vajamba protocol.
Havana kuzoenda pa stage kunogreba dichi.
But ndiyo ka stadium yacho. Ndiyo Rufaro stadium ka stage yayo. Ndapinda ndafara ndachicha ndatadza wani kana Dynamos yawina kana Highland ma supporters acho anopinda kunohaga ma players kufara. It is that moment which you cannot control, a moment of happiness, a moment of celebrating. And celebrating, there is no matrix, there is no formula for celebrating. Umalo kono visa hembe kudai achi celebrate, achi rasa kudai. Are you with me?
Yes.
But not the past, the kumsoro kurasa achi celebrate. And you was on it. And the one ni champagne.
Yes.
Wopopachi?
Champagne.
Champagne. Nekuti as far as I'm concerned, mutambo wangu apera. Winanga announcer. De makati ndakano jamba ari pakati peku macha peku modla kutapiwe ajajwe. Then de makati ndatadza. Cuz zvanga zvapera as far as I'm concerned. It's the first time I went there. I was never told the rules. I don't know the rules. I was joyous. I was celebrating shurugwi. Imagine marara uri muchimba chacho chinzo shurugwi. Uri sabuko. Mwana wangu kauyi, mwana wangu. Vana mai vanoridza murune muridzo kana mwana wina prize one. Vanenge vasvikirwa ni celebration spirit.
Sabuku, mimi, you are well traveled. You have attended my high profile events. You know things like decorum. And amungabopiwa mutemo Sabuku koni.
Decorum.
Yes.
Decorum. Andizvere. Kumirira kuti event pere. Zvandakaita andina kupindira event ya. Yanga yapera. Kuka-announcewa winner. Ndikaenda after that. So ndakarakidza decorum kuti andina kuenda before the announcement. I went after the announcement. And I accompanied her. And ndikampa chipo changu chandaida. Achichanetsa ipapo. Arwadzwa ndiani.
Even after the event, takazona mane photo opportunity and you were very happy and
I'm still happy and I'm emotional about it and ameno kuti ndingaite chi pari zvino zvandakataura ndichamitira ndikutounganidza kuti ndiite. Not only that, nditoda kuti vamwe vaya vakacontesta futi ndikwatsvagira mari futi inini kuti pavanouya kushuruguku ti uyu achiragidza ningi award yake neningiri yake vanofange varipo, because what I'm thinking right now, I'm a bigger person. I'm a strategist.
Yes.
Ndakutoda kuti vaya vakajiwa vange vakacontesta and did not make it. Vakajiwa, it's wrong. Did not make it. Kuti vapiwe ma resources kuti kuma areas kwavanobva kuwange uku. Andizvere. Vaende kunoita sei? Kunoita basa iroro so that it becomes a structure. Iye anoita nge CEO. Ava vari machi ma managers. but marichi uya ichienda towards the girl child, and they run charities which are aligned to the girl child, dealing with early sex marriages, drugs and so forth. So uri kuona vision yandinayo kudhara
vision yenyu.
And that's what we must do. They must also be given cars. They must also be given resources. So iye basa rake manje ndere kuenda kune nzvimbo idzi Summit Zimbabwe achienda chese achiona kuti mabasa ari kufamba sei, then we move our society to another level.
Bosi vanhu vanga kutotanga kutoti sabhuku vanga kutaura zvekuti because anobva kushurugwi, so kuda Tagwirei should give money, president should do something. Anobva kuti zvango clansmanship.
But the clansmanship airambidzwe. Charity begins charity begins at home. Iwe usanochengeta mai nababa pa next door usati wachengeta vako. Uri kuzvinza tanga wachengeta vako nevedzinza rako ozoyambuka ku next door. Saka inini handingayambuke kuwange kuna nanzwa nonzi vana mulei ikoko ninga ndinoramba ndiri mumangu, and ndiri mumangu I make sure that whoever is in my area thrives for excellence.
Why it is discouraged? Hopefully, we love the energy in a sabhuku. We love how sabhuku tackles my issues head on. Who would wish that one day you will be our president? But we get worried, man. It comes to Shurugwi. You will pick his MPs from Shurugwi. You will pick his advisors from Shurugwi. That's what I'm really worried about.
It is my prerogative as president. I have the powers to pick who I want. You don't choose a team for me. What you want is delivery. What you want is good governance and so forth. Awundiudze kuti hama yangu njani andigoni kupika hama yangu ka. Andisini ndakama vaisa mshurugu twanobva kushurugu. Andizwe but it's like being a Zimbabwean. When I go and I hear anything bad about Zimbabwe, I defend. Are you with me? I defend. And if support is needed, I support. That's why today, whether you like it or not, people must be ambassadors for their country. I am an ambassador for Shurugwi.
But she ambassadors,
finish. Yes. I'm an ambassador for Shurugwi.
Ladies and gentlemen, Wakaita president, zvandikushuwira, one day you should be president. Tofana kutanga tava detoxa from Shurugwi. Timvoti vambonyatsoti cater for us iswe kwaTusabe and everyone else.
KwaTusabe manje kuri right ndikumusha kwa mai vangu. Because vananyati ndo vanobereka mai vangu vanashonga.
Saka ndosaka muchiti
iwe mutupo chizi
shumba samaita.
Aiwa. Saka uri dzinza futi kushumba saka urimo futi mshurugu.
Saka ndatopinda.
He is part of the shurugu kakabao. Ishumba kai idzinza rangu.
Tichivhara papa Miss Universe. You highlighted kuti kwangu kusina mitemo yamakatogara maudzwa kuti this and this, which shows one or two things which were not organized by event here. But I'm reliably told kuti Miss Universe was part of my judges. The past Miss Universe gore rakapera. And azvitenge yongoluka like poisoned chalice kuti zvinhu zvinenge zvakadaka kutakwa kuti munhu wamboona ari invigilator next year ndiye akunyora zemseki. Hamusi makacelebrate chinhu chakasviba.
It has rules. Are you with me? And I think you must also be educated about the rules. The first 7 that win, they've got rules. And now they've got a rule yakuti unogona kutoita mwana age isina basa kuisa Miss Universe. Vakaisa mtemo yo. Are you with me? Ndo mtemo uripo. Kuti munhu akamboshanda uku ko anorambidzwa here kuita degree rending masters.
It doesn't look right.
No. It's about the rules. It's about the judges doing what they have to do. But you know, Zigo, there is no victory which has no controversy. Chero zikaita sei? Chero yezo ndikakupa $100 onzi Temba katenga uri understand? Uri
Yeah, ndikupabala.
But inenge ndafara nebasa rako. Because you're doing well, raising these issues, being able to bring them to the fore and so forth. These are rules which are there. The organization is not stupid enough to allow somebody who was a judge to contest. They allow it. They allow it. It's part of the rules which are there. And there's nothing wrong with that.
Yes. My issues of common interest, and one of it is sporting. You expressed the interest in makatombo throw your name pana uye zifa kuti muda kuleader zifa. So the reason why I'm asking this is because of that. Pane nawe violence yakaitika kuChawanda stadium. Tichitoona even mamwe officials vandoratidza kuti vanogona kuva vatungamiriri vemaclub vachitoparticipate in violence. What do you think is causing zvinhu zvakaita seizvozvo and how can it be avoided?
No. Kuchawanda, Dynamos create violence. And the truth must be said. Dynamos in mbiri violence. I was the chairman of Dynamos. Vakaenda, Kuchawanda, they defended themselves.
Yeah.
And you're allowed to defend yourself. You can watch back here. Nikakuro kadona. Does it defend?
Yes.
Usazo chema kuti violence ya vakwandiri. No wonder why Isusu, who are masters of martial arts, we use your attack as a form of defense. Your attack to me becomes a form of defense. So in defending you, I've not attacked you, but I've defended, but equally attacked you in defense. That's the rule of Aikido. The force of one, you turn it into defense, but the defense comes together with the attack.
Nandazima Aikido. And anati vakatamba muwe motiudza ende ndikuona mucheni wamakaita hayo
no. Mazana ona even ukunda ndakarwa bluka. Ndakarwa blue mashades.
But pane kumwe kwamakaenda makapfeka
black
hit
ne black. No, mazanda kumechaka. Ngochete black iri kumecha ne boots.
But Anzi, you were dressed like a sportsman. It's a lavish wedding and then a dress code.
No. They did not say this is the same. I've got 12 of these suits like this in different colors.
Yes.
And they have a designer in Nigeria. Okay. And Jatarati suit, itamari. It's tailor-made. It's a design. Ukati ya tracksuit chiu ya kwandiri. Nikuditse mcheno. Kuti level yedi susa achango tenga masutu. Eku China ayo achaja. Yo amenoti yako aisi eku China. Ayo mchoko acho unenge nani.
Inayetengeserwa nimpana nonzi magic.
Batai.
Yeah, iri kuoneka kuti ndiyasapuka.
And ona designer kuti ndiani. Nekuti unozo ona the designer ndiani.
Old wine. Yanzi old wine premium quality. Old wine shi.
Yeah, ndiye designer wacho. And ari kupi.
Asanzi kana takufamba uma nawazomboziziwe kuti.
Aiwa ndosaka ndati vanhu afani kudzwa zvese.
Yes.
Yeah, ngarambe wachifunga.
Yeah.
You know, it's summer now, winter upinda mwinter wona long. Papa ndakafika short.
Yes.
Ndafika heti yacho futi ka ulu kakaona ka kanota tusoro itese. Ayo kana munakachena kuma na
chena makachena ndabhlaka ati vakachena ngawa but inini ndiri kutry ndiri kuzama.
But track to analyze. Kanda apeka track ndopeka anda amainotodhura kupfura suit yake.
But how was the wedding reception for you?
Ipio
yekwana Tagwirei kwamba makapfeka black.
Uko kwanga kwakabata uko it was excellent to see my parents supporting mwana mukomana. Samusha zvakadaro ndo zvatinotenda izvo ndo zvatindokuona nekuti unofana kuda mwana wako chiri mpenyu.
Yes, and ndakuona usita renyu pama gift. Asi gift renyu ranga riri ma 500 ere vakazobuda moti yazvinzi.
Ini zigo kundikudza chokwadi. Ndandire 10,000 but zvakanzi kana usina kusimbatiza ndakazotiza. Aiwa. Andakazotiza.
All right, but imimi
instead of criticize ndakatiza.
Makatiza.
Kuzindada kwenda kapa stage papa.
Plus bani
kwetsa. But papa pairo 100,000 uri papa.
Yes.
Inini uku ndina 23. Tidiwe ari kuchikoro.
But the reason why I brought this up is because I know that you have a close relationship na Tagwirei and Anzi Sabuku are related to everyone in Zimbabwe. No,
you see, what happens is this. If you look at us as a people, to know ukama, dzinza rekwana moyo, ukama. I understand it. Dzinza rekwana shumba ukama. Because this is the traditional part people must understand. Dzinza rekwana mkanya ukama. Chinzi mkanya ari kuwedza, vanobva kuwedza, ari kwa mtara nonzi chii, ukaenda through history. It's one tree. You see uona mutu une one thing, I am a branches. Saka mkanya ukuchumba murambo ningiri zvese izvozvo siba are you with me but vachibva pane chi pane muti 1. So ndo ukama wagara uripo.
Nevanhu vasiri kuzvikoshesa mazuva ano because ndinoona vanhu they actually make fun of you mukatsangana naZigo mama muti muzukuru because uri shupa.
You see, chamisa ndovati sekuru, kasukwe ndoti sekuru. Nekuti vaera moyo. Ndo mtupo wa mai vangu, wa baba vani, amai vangu. Are you with? Kuti chirandu chibati vaera moyo. Ukaona vana shumba vari kumasvingo vakabva kwa mutoko kwa Noreka. Kwa mutoko kwani?
Kwa Noreka.
Saka ndikaona shumba wese ndoti akabva kwa Noreka. Tiri uku kwa vachivi uku. Andizvere. Tinobva ikoko but tiri kushurugwe, tiri kuzvishavani, tiri president ndishumba murambwe. But bandikokoro chibva kwani? Kwa Noreka. Kwa mutoko. Vanhu vasingazive history, and if you don't know history you never have a future. If you don't know your history you will never have a future.
If you don't know your history you will never have a future. Saka the reason why ndibvunza nawe muchato is imimi semunhu watingatiwo you are privileged enough to be part of my elites in Zimbabwe. Are you not worried kuti the display of opulence yakaratidzwa ipapa, the amount of wealth zvese zviri ipapa, it can send a different picture to a nation ine vanhu vakatiomerwewo vakawanda?
A nation will always have different people.
Yes.
It would have leaders.
Yeah.
And leaders, it will have followers. Are you with me? Yeah, no, it's up to you to say, Zigo, am I a follower or a leader? Understand?
Yes.
And again, our wealth and our talents are different. There are those who are playing soccer and who are doing well, others cannot play soccer and so forth. But what I must say to you today, so that to educate don't be jealous of what others have. In fact, learn more from them how they and the most critical part about life is having a network. You understand? You understand? Mari ndedzao. Atide kuita tsika dzekuda kurana mabudget evanhu dzimba dzao.
Yes.
In any one thing about Chivai, I don't talk about how he made his money. His money is good. If I could make that sort of money, I would love to. I'd probably want to ask him, how did you make that money? So as long as it's above the law and everything is in order, whoever feels good, the money was not generated in a proper manner, then you have a right to go and complain. And investigate. But we cannot be a nation that's jealous, a nation that's not proud of billionaires or millionaires. We cannot do that. We are petty. There are always people who suffer. Yes. That's the truth of the matter. Are you with me?
Yes.
So titini titange kucontrol my budgets evanhu kuti aiwa ipai maishoma and so forth.
But stems through control my budget evanhu as such, but pane chinhu chinonzi moral obligation, and you better know that kuti imimi pamamuri the representative of Norton constituents muchingo understand that the financial situation in vanhu vari muNorton imimi hamuzosvika muchidya rifa pamberi pavo, even if you have tine public officials akaita sana we have got vanhu vane mari dzavo handiti, but sevanhu vanenge vachitiprichiro inonzi austerity for prosperity wo havazoti tomboti takatsanya wobva wauya uchidya uri wemufundisi watichi takatsanya. Isn't it something that should be worrying?
No. Yeah. To be honest with you, to me, we must develop success. We must appreciate what people are good at. Everybody is given a different gift. Now we then go to God. Then when you talk about that, not only that, you might as well say, why did God choose 12 disciples and not everyone's becoming a disciple?
And not 7 of them.
Yeah. So why did he choose 12 and not everyone? There is favor.
Favor.
God even favored those 12. Are you with me?
Yes.
So you might as well say, so Sakatoti Mari was unfair. He didn't do right. Because he told them, go and lead. And then it is and going to kwese. And goni kupa munhu wese mari ndapa zigona newe Temba asi share ine vamwe ko ava havasi kushare ine vamwe akusi kushare ikoko. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Chikurusa, share with others. How you share is not but share with others.
Others apa zvinenge zvinyanyowandira kwavapfumi ikoko, varombo kwavarombo, vapfumi kwavapfumi.
It's those and that there is no set criteria.
Yes.
There's no set criteria.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to congratulate you, of course, with Zimbabwe, and it was elected into the UN Security Council.
So.
And I think it's a step in the positive direction. But one would say, but real power, but will we have real power?
No. Listen, what you must understand, and which we must be true about, and that's why I like talking to you. And this happened at the midst of CAB3.
Yes.
Which is going on, which as people want it, others don't want it, but the majority will always have their say, the majority will have their way, and the minority will have their say. Are you with me?
The majority will have their way,
and the minority will have their say. Are you with me?
Yeah.
And you have seated serving generals, and you have ex-generals, ex-wives, ex-husbands, and current wives and husbands.
You know, my ex. Yes. And
are you with me?
Yes.
And then ex of ngauti ari relevant ipo pani haripo. Are you with me?
Yes.
Ndiko kufunga kwake. But amumurambidzo kuti afunge chi?
Izvozvo.
Kasi kupinda mukati hapinde. Haite sei? Because pane new system. Pane munhu munyawani murume nemukadzi. And all you can do, iwe wanga une mukana wako. Hapana akapinda. Are you with me? They've always been part of the system and so forth. They've been given a chance. Zimbabwe, going through that, the world had confidence in voting for them to have that UN seat.
And
that says a lot.
Why do you think Zimbabwe, the world now has confidence in Zimbabwe?
Leadership.
Today?
And that leadership must be attributed to the president himself. Don't just blame the president when things are wrong. When things are good, also say we got this through the leadership of President Mnangagwa. And his team. And to me, it opens the investment for the country.
Yes.
Because when you are endorsed by the UN, it shows that you have done a lot of good.
Yes.
From a humanitarian point of view, from an economic point of view. Today, let's be honest, there is stability from an economic point of view. Let's be honest. You know, and one of my friends says to me, but Temba, Zimbabweans, do they realize that when they talk about corruption a lot, we actually want to come as foreigners because we now know that there's money. Because there can be no corruption without money.
Are they experiencing the same that you talk about? There is so much progress, the economy is progressing very well, or is just something to read coming out of somewhere?
No. You see, one thing you must understand is that kune vamwe vanozviti vanhu vakuru handizvere, yet kumusha kune vakuru kudhara. Are you with me?
Yes.
And kune vakuru kudhara, kasi vakuru vese chero president vari mubhuku rasabhuku, general serving or ex ari mubhuku masabhuku. Uri ku understand?
Yes.
Kana isu tataura, we've spoken on their behalf.
Masabu.
Kana ini president where the village association of Zimbabwe ndataura ndamirira masabhuku ese ende munhu wese ari muraini rasabhuku is part of that decision because ndini ndinovamirira kana ona kuti zvemubhuku mangu zvanetsa buda.
Hands kanaona kuti zvanetsa Buddha, ladies and gentlemen, because of our time, it's really gaga. Tikurumidze Sabhuku is a man of many commitments. Kune nyaya dzanotongwa kumusha uku, tunofana kuvaregera vaende. Shout about the leadership that you say the world now has got so much confidence on it. That's why it even awarded it a UN seat. It means that you have got good things to say about the leadership. You have got good things to say about the president. But it looks like, or it sounds like you don't have good things a lot to say about the vice president. Pama leaked audio, pama address enyu, pama post penyu. Imi mune personal relationship in a president. I'm feeling renge mninge mchito undermine
even vice president wacho. I've got a relationship with him.
So
ndimukanya ndisekuru, ndikaona ndinotisekuru, are you with me? But kana pane vakuru varipo, wangachita nyaya yedecorum. Ndadzokera kwauri manje decorum. Itawo decorum futi sa vice president. kana pana president variko kunge zvaita vice presidents ese at the former late Robert Gabriel Mugabe aitaura zvaida mukuru varipo even Idi achitukwa, you know that akambopindura yes or no yes or no.
But
yes or no, because I didn't kutika.
No, I know the president vaingogara vakakula down.
Yeah, are you with me? So to us, I didn't kuti nyaya dzevakuru dzisvike kwatiri. Taurana ikupi.
But someone would argue that it's kusvika based on my speculations, my interpretation from what would have been interpreted from Zvanenga.
No, this is somebody who would have dreamt to be president one day, but it's taking too long for them to be president. Are you with me?
Yes.
And not only that, you then have people who have... It's not everybody who must like the president. The president knows that there are people who don't like him, there are people who like him and so forth. He's a seasoned person. It would be naive of you and I to think he thinks everybody likes him. But he allows democracy to play its role. He does not interfere in it. Those members of parliament right now who are doing it, whether you voted for them or not, ndo democracy. But the security in this country, in particular, the thing military, is not the last line of democracy. The last line of democracy are the traditional leaders. Whenever nukupi kumaruwa. Even they are the last line of defense in terms of security. So they must not make security, they must not invade democracy. Because they're also part of the democracy. In part of democracy, they must go what the people want, the will of the people. So as a nation, atiri kuti funga kuti coup inoitika mu Zimbabwe. Haimbo yakaitika because you're tarnishing the name of the country and the coup has never happened. Parliament ndio yakabvisa the late Robert Gabriel Mugabe akaresigna. Achiendeswa for impeachment. Are you with me? Zvakaitika. Ndiko kuti azoresigna mu parliament, haana kuresigna kuma soja.
But what is really based on speculation, even the idea of a coup or hey, panogona kuitika coup really based on speculation. Now inengere kuti imimi takatarisa president na VP wao, the VP is an appointee of the president from what you said.
That's what it is.
It serves at the pleasure of the president.
Exactly.
So imimi kana mushitenge muri undermine the appointee of the president. Akusi kuti undermine here even the one you've got a personal relationship with, which is the president.
Aiwa. Tukuvatsura. Yeah. Tukuvatsura. Kana va undermine president, tinovatsura totaurirana toti zvamakuita izvi handizvo nekuti imimi minenge makuita sei makuita kwana. Because the good thing about it is that if he's president one day, that's if he is, would he like that? Would he like his vice president to undermine him?
He wouldn't.
Thank you.
But he wouldn't like his vice president to be undermined as well.
No. The is also, at the end of the day, we have one center of power. Are you understanding?
Yes.
And we will defend and support the sitting president. Are you with me? We will do that. And he must also know that if at all he becomes president, he will have a Temba Mliswa who will support and be loyal to him. We cannot serve two masters at one go. There can only be one.
Okay.
The people who are undermining are those who are factional leaders.
Yeah.
Vari kucreate a faction vanoragidza kuti vari kuside kwa VP andizvo vasingasapoti mukuru wenyika. But haugariswe pachigaro ipapo mukuru wenyika futi asina kutaura kuti uyu munhu ndakukusirai munhu ari right shandai naye. That endorsement from the president is critical for any incoming president, especially in ZANU-PF.
Last time turi kushurugwe wamakati hosta zvakanaka mukatipa chikafu doro and chii, we had a good time. We talked about my leaked audio. Kuti hey, sabhuku munenge muri kulika audio, and I think a lot of people the culture yekulika audio yato prevalent now. Ndikuona vamwe vari kulikawo audio zvichienda zvakaita sei zvakadaro. There've been a lot of my leaked audios as well. Anima issues concerning you and Dr. Tagwirei, another one ndakaona rinenge raitaurwa futi about say Wicknel muchitange muri kuthreatenana. My audios are attributed to you.
First of all, I don't leak audios. Are you with me?
Yes.
I don't record anybody because there's no need.
Yes.
Because what I tell you, I will repeat. I don't even know how to record on my phone. By the way, are you with me?
Yes.
I can forward messages. It's up to you to either keep the message or to forward it. So that's not leaked.
But
and there are a lot of, because of AI and because of a lot of things happening, there are certain content creators now who come up with these videos, which never happened, nothing ever happened and so forth. So you must also beware of such, especially when technology has gotten to this level. Have you ever seen me getting worried or my lifestyle changing as a result of what people say?
Maybe it's
but I'm asking.
Movie but because the contents of the audios, what they voice racho, it's better representing Temba Mliswa as a person.
No. First of all, I don't record. If you ever have recorded and you can prove that.
Or maybe a victim of being recorded.
Popelo recorded, he recorded, that's him. No, I can so forth. I don't record people. But still, Raka recorder, and Bumirana Nazo, and Kuramba. And either kuti inini ndinzi no support kuda ndinga support president because akanditi nga support kuda ti support president ndikati azviite kuda ano support president ano support nyika inoi saka usaunze division iyo saka ndiyo yaida kufamba nayo ende ndinobvumirana nezvaakalika nekuti akarekoda handizvirambi zvinochinja chi because what I said I still maintain. He wanted to then go out and say, Temba doesn't support ED, but supports Kuda. Kuti, Rosetonge Kuda ru campaign kuita president. Kuda campaign kuita president. Indino taura fungwa zangu.
Some would say he's campaigning to be the president at a later time. And maybe...
No, he has never said he wants to be president. It's us people who assume, it's us people who believe if there is any change at any point when the president believes that he has saved the country enough and he wants to go, would also want to see a younger person from a generational point of view. And the preferred one is one who is successful in business, who understands the rugby, who understands the economy, who has been able to turn around the economy. Are you with me? We are no longer looking for a liberator. They liberated the country. Now we want economic growth, which would be a continuation of what His Excellency Idi Mnangagwa spearheaded. 2030 is a result of the good progress, infrastructure. Even my opposition MPs are saying it. Varikubvuma naye, varikubvuma. Muroya arikubvuma kutaiwa. Nanga inogona.
But I'm not bora erutange rukunyanyotambirwa pama-politicians. Then kuvanhu ruitange rungotambwa quickly kudai bora ratobva voitange vasina
ndosaka vanhu vachifanira kuvhota vese nekuti kana ma-politicians akumeka ma-decisions. Are you with me? Whether wakavhota usina kuvhota ndo vamiriri venyu endo ndo zvamakabvuma mu-constitution yenyu yenyika kuti tinenge tine ma-councillors nema-MP vachavhotera. Saka hamungacheme. Amungaita sei? Nekuti ndimi maita sei? Mavasarudza. Havana kugadzwa naMwari muparliament. Saka vakuenda kunokuvirira iyi mimi. And that is constitutional.
Hondo hanzi yakarwiwa on the premise of one man, one vote. And it will look like it's no longer one man, one vote. Yeah, one man representing 1,000 of votes.
Let me tell you, people are not well read. And let me educate you for the first time. One man, one vote came about because Rhodesia did not allow blacks to vote. And then we went to war to say everyone must have a right to vote. So in 1980, one man, one vote was exercised because there was discrimination. Not only that, there were other people who could not vote because of a certain class. Because I want you Zimbabweans to understand where one man, one vote came from. Because why vote varungu chet in a certain category during Rhodesia? Not ichi, vanu atema. So taenda kuhondo, which my father was part of, Zambia, under Zapwa with me, fought for one man, one vote, which is still there because everybody in this country, as long as you are of a certain age, you're allowed to do what? To vote. Everybody is allowed to vote. Is that not one man, one vote? And one man, one vote does not only apply to the president. It applies to the councillor, to the MP. In 1980, we did not vote for the president, one man, one vote. Vabva kuhondo, vachiri neropa dzinoita ningiri. Takavhotera ma-MPs. From there, the majority ndio yakazovhotera president. It has happened before. So people must understand what one man, one vote means. they could not vote. Blacks could not vote. Right now, are they not voting MPs?
It seems like...
So the one man, one vote is there.
What's the electorate in Zimbabwe? Simple. 2018, 2023, Zigo kana achivota, usually mfungwa make haanyanyofunga about his local MP or chi, and I believe that could be one of the reasons you probably lost kunoton, because vanhu vanenge vasiri kuvhotera either Temba Mliswa or Richard Tagwirei.
Exactly.
Vanenge vachivhotera president. They are more concerned about the bigger picture.
Exactly.
The presidium. And it seems like that bigger picture is what is now being taken away. Monsi, vhotera our panel.
It was never there. That's why I'm saying 1980. I think up to 1987.
Yes.
The vote was parliamentary. Are you understanding?
Yeah.
We had a country after independence, after people exercise their one man, one vote, because we want to emphasize what one man, one vote means. And then they changed the constitution. And they have a right to also amend it again, to go back to 1980. So we've gone back to 1980, unless you're telling me, could the comrades and people who liberated this country were wrong to think liberate the country and to have one man, one vote in the system that they implemented in 1980, where they voted for the member of parliament, who's then the majority voted for their president.
Ladies and gentlemen, tell us what you think about this. Journalist Another thing is the term. You kubva pa 5 kuenda pa 7. Wananyanya argument that extension here kana tichi, but my question would be 5 years, a shorter term, rine ma advantage nema disadvantage. But one of the advantages is if things go wrong, the 5 years will be sort of a deterrent. Wrong. Are you not worried kuti if things go wrong, kuti tomboti mutungamiri anenge apo at that time, we have to wait longer enough before we are relieved of bad governance?
Kuna different strokes for different folks.
Strokes are not necessary.
I will understand. Kuti iwewe unoitira umwe zvimwe usingaitire umwe zvinhu zvaitira umwe.
Yes.
The former late president was in power for 37 years.
Yes. 37, but we are not there. We are here.
So here,
we're in a progressive society.
Here, we're talking about an extension, which is not a second term. The constitution that we did has got 3 areas which require a referendum. If you want to go for the 3rd term, which is 5 years, after serving 2 terms, are you with me? To start a new term could 1 year, 5 years, you go to a referendum. If you want to change the issue of land in this country, you go to what? To a referendum.
Yes.
Human rights, the Bill of Rights, you go to a what? To a referendum. The rest are dealt with in parliament.
Okay.
Would you understand? That is the constitution.
Mukutarisire kuzogera into parliamentary politics pambera.
Unoza ego ukaona mbudzi dzandinadzo kumusha kuza ndikuripisa vanhu. Parliament unaona ichi. You must unoita naro pazvinge dzasvikira. I played my part in parliament. That's good. No. Inini I believe in being a person who is independent and who's able to air my views, whether Zvakuradisa or not. And I believe in leadership. And I'm the president of the Village Heads Association of Zimbabwe.
The reason why I asked that...
Because usabuguka. Auna election.
Why ndandabvunza that is because tomboti kunoton vanhu probably they are not happy with Richard Tagwirei, let's say, and they are hoping kuti bhuru ngaridzoke pachigaro. If this passes, not that their salvation will be there in 2030, not in 2028.
And let me tell you, and indeed they are not happy, but I respect their choice. And they must, you make a bed, sleep on it. I still run programs. I still help them. I do medication for the elderly. I have a foundation that takes kids to school. I'm still running all those things, but I don't run them kuti ndikanganise munhu aripo nekuti I respect space yemunhu. And I believe in democracy. I believe mu choice yemunhu. Chero yakaipa, chero isina kundifadza and so forth. I respect that. Tosaka pandakajiwa ndakati aiwa. Sekuru wangu save vaita sei? Iregerai vaite nengirikaita sei? Kana vachida kuti ndivabetsere ndichaita sei? Ndinobetsera ndikada kuashedza kuti sekuru ndo maprograms andaita ndiri MP. Kuda kuti apere ndokubetserai nenhingikiri. Havana kuuya, but that's what is choice. So inini leadership is definitely a calling.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes, I get it. Saka tichivhara tichisvika pakuvhara tingoita run through some of the few issues dzekuti vanhu vanenge vari worried about CAB. Handizi yekutanga, it's about the powers rapresident rekuappointa vanhu in the judiciary. Hanzi rinenge ratiwedzerei mbijana, but parutange vanhu pavari more worried about it's the PG, the prosecutor general. Vanobva kuti prosecutor general power rikawandira kune munhu ari kuti appointa vanhu vanenge a little worried about that.
The good thing about iwe team yako yandiri kuona yemacameramen wakapiwa nevamwe vanhu here kandi ndiwo wakapointa?
Ndakavatsvaga and I selected them on merit.
On merit. Kana umatadza basa unoita sei?
They save it my pleasure. I will fire them. They save it my pleasure. Yes, mamba sabhuku vanoitika zvakawanda saka pane chimbwa changa chiti sara uku unoziva imbwa dzangu dzinotrainwa kana ndikangodai chete dzongotora insight. So they save it my pleasure.
And chabva chateerera kamuna kuchiona. Bruno, well done Bruno, sit there. I'll come to you after the interview.
Okay. So I'll fire them because they save it my pleasure.
They serve at your pleasure. And again, are you with me? If you don't do your job, the shareholders will fire you.
Okay.
Are you with me? Yes. So there's that provision. And the shareholders are the parliamentarians who will impeach you. Are you with me?
Yes.
The same way they impeached the late president, Zimbabwe, and then he resigned. So there's still accountability. Because what people must do, what is it that people must learn today as Zimbabweans? Vote wisely.
Okay.
Are you with me? And you vote once. Vote wisely. Are you with me? Vote for members of parliament, councillors who you know have capacity.
Or I think with right discretion, pakuvhotera ma local election yenyu, ma councillor, ma MP, because a lot of people didn't care about that.
And the good thing about it, the good thing about my MPs Gupinda, there was no controversy. There was no fighting. So they are the genuine people. Because when it comes to the presidents, there's controversy and so forth. So wakachena, ndo wakuti tungamiko vazoipa papi. Ukapana kana case ku parliament yakaenda yekuti ndabiridzirwa neumwe MP. When the opposition wins in the urban, okay, they don't say rigging. When they lose in the rural, they say there was rigging.
And then we have got my commissions. One of the most important commissions in Zimbabwe is SEC. And the reason why it's a commission is because it should act independently. Ndochimwe chakanyanya kukosha pazviri. But tirutange futi mapowers acho ada kutorwa onoiswa ku department register.
And but register ndere ma records.
But ndere ma records ekuti munhu akazvarwa rini akafa rini so saka ngavaende kunoona voters roll ngaitwe ikoko ndiko kune ma records enyika evanhu vese. But the department, it seems like vanonyaso actor directly and it's at the pleasure of the appointee.
You are right.
And
let me tell you, you are right. You will always be under the appointing authority.
Now it's about the army and mona pane wedding utange futi yakachinjwa utange rekwa avoid something.
The army is under the commander-in-chief. Are you with me? And the commander-in-chief is the president.
And by 2017, when we thought that maybe everything is now going off, and Army ndo yakaita the savior.
Aiwa, apana mapurisa in terms of section 212 of the Constitution 214 talks about kana mapurisa wakurirwa kumaintain law and order. Vanotenderwa kukumbira army kuti vabetsere. So ne people's march yanga iri pano akawanda. Vakangoshedza army kuti pasaitike mhirizhonga, and indeed the pasina mhirizhonga. So they were under the police.
So it's not the army which orchestrated?
No. They cannot go on the streets without...
rewrite history.
No, they cannot go on the streets without the Commissioner General of Police. Okay, in consultation with the president. President saying, yes, go ahead, kuti, I'm now seeking. Then the president, as commander-in-chief, then says, let the army do what? Be on the streets, because atidi mhirizhonga, and indeed it was peace. So they aided to the peaceful environment, the people's march that was happening in terms of protesting on the leadership which was there.
At this point, do you think there's anything which will stop CAB3 now?
It's a foregone. Kana isuma sabu kutataura anomisa ndiani.
Matoka mchini.
Tokudzinga kumuraini kumushao kumiraone.
Tichivhara, my last question would be, what do you think about Winky D?
Do you know, that's a very emotional one for me. Because I think the country has not had people who see its potential to be able to be a role model to the youth, to be able to speak to the ills. I've always said that I would want to see a tournament or a festival where there's JAPRES and Winky D.
Yes.
Where the president is there to see some of the best artists. Are you with me? But at the same time, them giving a message to the youth. They can be ambassadors in dealing with a lot of ills in the country. And what people say about Winky D, I'm the first person that I don't agree with it. He's a great artist, so is JAPRES, and I would love to see them together. Social media has played the part where it has killed a relationship of two brilliant musicians. The same way with Mtukudzi and Mapfumo. Are you with me? This is Mtukudzi and Mapfumo. Are you with me? JAPRES is a Mapfumo. Winky D is a Mtukudzi. But Mtukudzi embraced everyone.
Someone would say it's not social media, it's politics, which is actually polarized music. So,
no musician, no athlete must never allow politicians, okay, to infiltrate what they do, because music and sport unites people. And because of that, you can't choose who you, and that was good for you. You would play anyway, at any time, because it unified people. After that, you neni, tiri mapati akasiyana kutotamba tese unbeknown kutoka peka t-shirt MDCA ZANU-PF, but nikuti music. Are you with me? Subconsciously muri kutamba uniting. It's like football. Unono haga muno usingazata kupi nikuti muri kusupporta team imwechete. Those are key players in peacemaking, in unity for a country. Music and sport.
Ayo.
Icho, ndicho. Inyama sabu kudiuzi aitwe kumusha ndo zvangenda kutaura andizve isusu tine communal land reasons here ine vanhu vatinopa masabu kudiuzi ari kuitwa kuma farms land reform kwangune committee of 7 not kuma reserve kune madzimambo uko hakuna sabu kudiu nekuti munda wako iwewe wasekuru wako uriko kana uchida kuugara idongo
nakutama
uya
wakushurugu kunowinwa.
But ini ndinoda varume vanozorora vana mumuraini mangu netsika dzakanaka vachicontributa chete uchaboda tsika dzedu chete ndo zvandinongoda inini
uchito vana vakawanda
konai vakomana ndeipi nyika inogonesesa pasi pana panyaya yeupfumi iChina because of population. India, because of population. For as long as you don't know the population, the business will never thrive. The economy will never thrive. You must first grow and do things which are consumed by your own people economically. Then you export.
Thank you, Sapugo. Ladies and gentlemen, and with that, we are out. Good news, kuma ladies and gentlemen. Emu Westgate, Sunridge, Bluffview, itototuri around ka area kanaka. We now have a grocery shop, the One Life Mart groceries, ne pamuzinda wenyama butchery, which means that sometimes kumo kure just to get your things locally kana uri muarea yatataura iri kuwanika ese mabasic commodity. Address mukatarisa pachikoro pane Divaris Makaris nepane church inenge SDA, pane tumashop turi ipapa because shop yacho i1 but anoita ngemashop akawanda pana Northwood naLavenham where mutenge at affordable prices and every basic commodity here.